If you're thinking about selling your home in the next month, 6 months, or even a year from now, stick around and we'll give you some information to help get your home ready to sell. Before you declutter, freshen up the paint, and get the yard perfect, there is something you should do that will reduce that risk of the dreaded back on the market advertising.
Frequently, if a property returns to the market, it does so because of an inspection issue. And a good number of times, the homeowners were aware of the problem before they ever contacted their real estate agent.
Remember when you were young and you broke something in your parents' house? Most of us will admit that we tried to glue it or place it back so they would not know that we did that. We would go through great efforts to hide the damage from our parents, but let's face it, we pretty much always got caught.
Hiding or ignoring a known problem in a home will never turn out the way that you anticipated. If you know of an issue up front, address it by repairing the issue or disclosing it. Casey and I have sold houses that had unusable bathrooms, no toilet, no tubs, no appliances, no HVAC, leaking roofs. Heck, we sold one with no front door. And the list just goes on. The trick is to have a network of repairmen ready to assist, and if the homeowner does not have the funds available to make the repairs, the correct pricing strategy to get the home sold and without having to hide the problems.
If you are confident that your home is well maintained, but you want to not have a surprise at inspection, a pre-listing inspection can be a great tool to use, provided that you're willing to disclose the results, make the noted repairs, or plan a pricing strategy around those deficient items.
If you are thinking of selling your property in the next year, feel free to reach out to Casey or I today.